What is good, everybody on YouTube? I go by kodenameKRW, and yes, boom, check me out. Got the new Nike 100K chopper hoodies. You know what I'm saying? The 100K chopper hoodies by Project Black. Today's video is going to be a custard. Wait. The fuck is a custard? I just totally screwed that up. Damn it, just watch the video. Anyway, today is going to be a sneaker customizing video. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this sneaker, destroy it, and put it into something else. So basically, I'm going to take this shoe, and alright, boys. So what's up, guys? This is what we have for the custom of the day. These are my made for skate Nike SB mids. I have completely destroyed them. On a previous custom, because you know the original ones were like blue and camo. I did not like that colorway. I wanted like a black and blue. Really, I just wanted to customize them. I'm not even going to front. I just want to see what all I can do. You can see it. The black is pretty faded. You still see that some of the camo is starting to peek back through. The paint job is not good. I got glue marks from the original strap piece and shit. Yeah, we're gonna completely redo these. What we have here is an Air Max 1 3M reflective. As you can see, the 3M, I already took the sole out of them. Size 8.5, you see it. As you can see, I got a little early on that. But you see what I'm going with here. It's like they light up. Like, I really thought this was crazy. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please be, on the lookout to do so. Like, just click that button down there, goddammit. Click the button. You see this button right here? Just click it. Click it. Now.